Congress workers are threatening to kill Narendra Modi. He has further added that Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi must apologize. This in light of that mega rally they conducted at the Ram Leela Maidan, where allegations of vote theft were highlighted. Now Mr. Rijiju has said Congress workers are threatening to kill Narendra Modi and that Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi must apologize. In fact, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister is currently delivering an address. Let's listen in.
To dig the grave of Modi ji, it is the most unfortunate thing we have seen in the political history of India. We are rivals, we are not enemies. We belong to different political parties, we propagate different ideologies, but we are working for the nation. We want to make India a strong nation, a Viksit Bharat, a developed India by 2047. Modi ji's dream is to make India a developed and powerful nation so that every Indian can be proud of. But to openly declare in Congress rally to dig the grave of Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, it is the most unfortunate and most tragic scene I have ever seen in the history of Indian politics. The Congress president and the leader of opposition must tender apology to the nation through the floor of the Parliament House.
क्या संसद ने आज इस मामले को सत्ता पर सीधे उठाया?
सर, इसी पर कांग्रेस कह रही है वो डिफेंस।
Well, you've just heard the Parliamentary Affairs Minister speaking live and addressing the media. We have that reaction of Kiran Rijiju's where he speaks of Congress workers threatening to kill Narendra Modi and asking Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge and Mr. Rahul Gandhi to apologize. Listen it.
हम हमारे राहुल गांधी जी जो वोट चोरी के खिलाफ जो लड़ाई जो निर्वाचन आयोग ने जो आम नागरिक जो लोकतंत्र में एक वोट की जो कीमत होती है उस वोट को चोरी कर बीजेपी सरकार हरियाणा में बिहार में सरकारें बनाई जा रही हैं, उसके खिलाफ हम राहुल गांधी जी के हाथ मजबूत करने हैं और हम राहुल गांधी जी के कंधे मजबूत करेंगे और इस वोट चोरी के खिलाफ बीजेपी की ईंट से ईंट हिला देंगे। बहुत असर होगा, आपने देखा ही होगा। आप अपना कैमरा घुमाइए, यहाँ पे देख रहे होंगे कितनी तादाद में यहाँ से भीड़ आई है, भारत के कोने कोने से भीड़ आई है। भाई अंत तो सभी का आता है, यानी इस तानाशाही हिटलरशाही सरकार से सब परेशान हो चुके हैं। तो ये जनता अपनी आवाज बुलंद करेगी और 2028 में उनके ताबूत की आखिरी कील साबित होगी।
My colleague Aishwarya Jain has been tracking all the political barbs coming in. He joins us live at the moment. Aishwarya, sharp remarks coming in from Mr. Kiran Rijiju, who's now demanding that Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi, they must apologize.
Well, certainly yesterday in the national capital, there was a mega rally that was organized by the Congress party and the India bloc leaders were also participating, in which we heard several comments coming in on the election reforms, and several workers of the Congress party stating about giving death threats to the Prime Minister. And this has been very sharply, had been taken as far as Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned. Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju clearly condemning the kind of statement made at that particular rally. Kiran Rijiju went on to say that this is, they can just not get away by condemning it. Mr. Kharge and Rahul Gandhi should apologize on the floor of the House in Rajya Sabha and in Lok Sabha. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is running the largest democratic country in the world, and it is such a shameful and disgraceful comments coming in from the Congress leadership is highly condemnable. They will also raise it in the parliament until and unless Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge doesn't apologize on the floor of the House. So this is going to be another flashpoint as the last week of the winter session of Parliament starts from today onwards. Certainly we will be witnessing protest also coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party against the Congress party on such comments made against the Prime Minister.